Soskin, flagship brand of Cosmetic Research Group, is delighted to present you its new peeling concept. Nested in the heart of the French Riviera for more than 20 years, Soskin Laboratory creates dermocosmetic products inspired from pioneer anti-aging techniques. Soskin draws its inspiration within digital biodiversity, allowing the use of ultra-performing and innovating active ingredients. We are going to perform an anti-aging skincare technique on the customer using a method which has been developed and fine-tuned by the Soskin Laboratory. This technique is called SPM, Soskin Peel Method, must only be performed by trained professionals. This method involves using safe and secure exfoliation techniques with the aim of achieving visible results from the first application. Exfoliation involves removing the stratum corneum in order to restore radiance and vitality to the skin. It also improves the absorption of product into the epidermis. The products used contain fruit acids, also known as EHA. Soskin mainly uses glycolic, phytic, kojic and salicylic acid, depending on diagnosed indications. That's why we have created 4 coffrets targeting 4 indications. The first coffret, called Clear Skin Peel, treats pigmentary spots and skin unifying. The second coffret, called Pure Skin Peel, acts against acne problem and oily skin. The third coffret, called Pro Peeling 30, is indicated for dull skin, whereas the fourth coffret, Pro Peeling 50, acts against wrinkles and fine lines. The duration of the SPM protocol is 30 minutes. It is split into several steps and may form part of the whole range of Soskin protocols. This treatment is performed using a brush and requires the use of 3 small dishes in which the 3 SPM products are poured. Step 1. Questionnaire. Before starting the treatment, the customer must be asked certain questions in order to check that there are no contraindications to the administration of a Soskin treatment. The answers to the question must be negative. If there are any affirmative answers, the treatment will be postponed. First question: are you pregnant or breastfeeding? Second question: have you exposed your skin to the sun in the last 48 hours? Third question: are you taking any treatment for acne or are you on antibiotics? Fourth question: do you have any known allergies, fruit acids for example? Finally, the last question: have you had permanent makeup applied to your eyebrows or lips? If the answer to this question is affirmative, the appropriate areas will be protected. The therapist then informs the customer that the SPM treatment will cause a tingling sensation that is completely normal. However, if the customer experiences any burning or discomfort, the treatment will be stopped. Step 2. Installation. The customer is then dressed in the appropriate attire to receive the Soskin treatment. All jewelry must be removed and carefully stored. Particular care must be taken to protect the hair and ears by giving the customer a towel around the customer's face. Soskin products come in liquid form, so it is therefore necessary to protect the ears so that the liquid does not run inside them. Step 3. Cleansing. The therapist then moves on to fully cleanse the customer's face using Soskin products. gentle makeup remover for eyes and lips. Cleansing milk, and then tonic lotion. Removing the eye makeup is not compulsory, as the eyes will be protected. The therapist soaks 2 cotton pads and places them over the eyes so they are perfectly protected. If there is any permanent makeup on the eyebrows or lips, they should also be protected by a soaked cotton pad. The therapist prepares the 3 small dishes containing the 3 SPM products so they can be used immediately: pre-peel, peeling, neutralizer. Step 4. SPM method, the pre-peel. During this step, the therapist uses the first dish containing soskin pre-peel lotion. This product is formulated with a liquid solution containing 20% glycolic acid. This step has 2 purposes: complete makeup removal in order to eliminate all traces of milk, cream and sebum. Test the skin reaction to glycolic acid. The therapist monitors the customer's skin and asks how it feels. If any redness or burning and sensation of discomfort are experienced by the customer, the treatment will be stopped. In order to perform this step, the therapist dips the brush in the dish and wipes it on the edge. She applies soskin pre-peel lotion, starting in the thick area of the face, which is the T-zone. Smooth strokes should be used for this application, and they should stop at the outer edge of the face. The therapist avoids the insides of the lips. Application must be fast and even. When the application is complete, the therapist rinses the customer's face once, then dries it. Step 5. SPM method, the peel. During this step, there is no need to wash the brush. The therapist uses the second dish containing the peeling gel itself. In order to perform this step, the therapist dips the brush in the dish and wipes it on the edge. She applies soskin peel gel, starting in the thick area of the face, which is the T-zone. Smooth strokes should be used for this application, and they should stop at the outer edge of the face. She avoids the insides of the lips. Application must be fast and even. She sets her timer to start at the very beginning of the application. While it is working, the therapist monitors the customer's skin and asks questions about how it feels. If the customer experiences any redness or burning and sensation of discomfort, the peeling action will be neutralized on the affected areas by using a little of the solution from the third dish on the cotton bud and applying it to the affected areas. Step 6. SPM method, neutralizer. For this step, the therapist begins by rinsing the brush, then using the third dish containing the neutralizer, formulated with bicarbonate of soda. In order to perform this step, the therapist dips the brush in the dish and wipes it on the edge. She applies soskin neutralizer, starting in the thick area of the face, which is the T-zone. Right from the start of the application, a light whitish foam begins to appear, which is the result of blending between the peeling gel and the neutralizer. The tingling sensation may continue for the first 10 seconds. There is no need to wait any longer. The neutralizer may therefore be rinsed off straight away. The skin rinsed again. And then dried. If the burning sensation does not dissipate, neutralizer may be applied a second time to the affected areas. The therapist informs the client that she is going to spray some thermal water to deliver a cool, refreshing sensation and eliminate the burning. She then dries the skin carefully. Step 7. Treatments. These various stages come together to achieve complete exfoliation of the customer's skin. Now the skincare products can be applied and they will be able to achieve optimum absorption into the epidermis. The therapist takes 3 drops of soskin hyaluronic serum into her hands in order to perform a massage which will help the product to be absorbed as effectively as possible. Hyaluronic acid is very important for epidermis hydration and skin cells renewal. Its plumbing power is exceptional. Real sponge, this natural molecule present in the epidermis absorbs until 300 times its weight in water. Similarly, she takes a walnut-sized amount of the particular soskin cream that is specified for the customer in her protocol. The treatment will then finish with the application of a sunscreen. The soskin sunscreen SPF 50+ does not leave any greasy and white trace and will protect the skin from a possible pigmentary bounce back. It enables the client to apply makeup after the care. Step 8. Additional sales. For 2 to 4 days, depending on the weather, the customer will have to apply a sunscreen in the morning and avoid sun exposure. To prolong and gain the full potential of the SPM treatment effects, the therapist recommends the most suitable products to the customer. Further to the peeling used, a beauty prescription has to be proposed. For the clear peel kit, hyaluronic serum, whitening treatment cream and whitening day cream SPF 25 have to be advised. For the pure peel kit, you will propose hyaluronic serum, stop imperfection serum, mattifying gel cream and purifying mask. Pro Peeling 30 will be followed with hyaluronic serum, brightness vitality serum, brightness vitality cream, glycolic new skin cream and sunscreen SPF 50+. For the Pro Peeling 50, hyaluronic serum, densifier cream and anti-wrinkle regenerating night cream. The protocol has to be done 3 times every 3 weeks.